In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to cart on Stockx. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from browsing to a confirmed purchase smoothly and confidently. First, open the Stockx app on your phone or go to the website in your browser. Make sure you're signed into your account so checkout is quick and your saved details populate correctly. If you're using the app, it helps to have the latest version for the best experience and the most accurate price display. Next, use the search bar to find what you want. You can type the product name, a style code, or a brand and model. When the results load, select the specific item you're after, whether it's shoes, apparel, or electronics. Opening the product page gives you the full picture: photos, recent sales, and current pricing. Now choose your size or variant. For shoes and apparel, tap your exact size. StockX displays prices per size because it's a live marketplace, so different sizes can cost different amounts at any given moment. Double check you've selected the right sizing type: men's, women's, or unisex, and if needed, confirm regional conversions like US, UK, or EU. For items with variants such as colorways or storage capacities, make sure the correct one is highlighted before continuing. At this point, you'll decide how you want to buy. StockX gives you two options, and the fastest one is Buy Now. Tap Buy Now to instantly purchase at the lowest current. Ask for your selected size or variant. Before you commit, take a moment to review the price breakdown. You'll see the item price plus applicable fees and taxes. This is where you confirm everything looks right: size or variant, shipping address, and payment method. Because the platform verifies items before they're shipped to you, those fees cover authentication and processing, and they're clearly shown so there are no surprises. When you're ready, proceed to checkout. Follow the prompts to finalize your payment, then confirm the order. Think of Buy Now as the StockX version of adding to cart and going straight to checkout in one streamlined flow. After confirmation, you'll receive an order summary, and you can track the progress in your account as the seller ships the item to be verified before it's sent to you. And that's it. You open StockX, found your product through the search bar,